Okay, so I'm going to explain how we're going to proceed before we start. Basically, you're both given a penny, and we will designate clearly which side counts as heads and which side counts as tails. In the game, there is going to be a player 1 and a player 2, and each player has their own goals they want to achieve in this game individually. Each round of the game will proceed as follows. You will turn the penny to either heads or tails without letting your opponent know which side you picked, and then you will reveal your choices at the same time when you will both see each other's choices. If the pennies are both heads or both tails, then player 1 wins this particular choosing action. If the penny shows different sides of the coin, then player 2 wins. For each combination of the choices, and there will be a total of 4, so if you both choose heads, both choose tails, 1 head, 1 tail, and then 1 tail, 1 head, you will receive different payoffs. So it is shown here on this chart where it says if you both choose heads, then player 1 gets a positive 3, and a positive number would indicate a gain, and a negative number indicates a loss. So where player 1 will gain 3, and then player 2 will lose 3. If you both choose tails, then player 1 will gain 1, and player 2 will lose 1. If player 1 chooses heads, player 2 choose tails, or if player 1 chooses tails and player 2 chooses heads, player 1 will lose 2 and player 2 will gain 2. And that is the basic payoff structure in this game. As you can see, you both have access to this chart, so you both know each other's payoff information. We will repeat this choosing action 20 times, and that will constitute as one round of the game, and we will play in total of 2 rounds. During the second round, you will be switching roles. So if you were player 1 in the first round, you will be player 2 in the second. And so your goal in the game will in turn change to that of a player 2 in this game. So in thanking you for participating in this game and assisting us with our assignment, we will be giving you M&Ms in accordance with the grand total of the points that you receive at the end of each round. So for example, if at the end of one round you get a positive payoff, if you get a gain, then we will give you the respective number of M&Ms. But if you get a loss, it doesn't mean that you have to give us M&M or anything. It will be fine. Nothing will really happen. And we will add up the payoff that you get in the 2 rounds and then give you the respective number of M&Ms. So you're playing for M&Ms.